Hello fellow gardeners, Amy here with my assistant Lily, and today we are going to plant
irises.
You want to show them all the different colors of iris?
Orange, black, purple and white with the little orange, pink and purple, with blue and green.
So this spring when the irises were blooming, I was just so inspired. I got on a kick of how gorgeous they are when they're all blooming at once and having all the different colors. And I thought, you know, I want to have all the different colors in my yard, all of them that I can find. So this fall I picked up one of each that I found at the store. And I've also been dividing my clients' irises a lot this year. It was just the year it came up that it was really important. So I've got these, I've got 4 tarp loads of irises over there. I'm going to give some to my clients and I'll keep 2 or 3 of each color for myself. So without further ado, shall we get started? You want to dig right now? Okay, get your shovel.
She wants to walk me.
Okay,
right here.
Perfect. That's a perfect place for her.
So I don't want to get her messy.
I agree. Okay, so you've got your shovel.
We should put it right here.
Which one should we put there? Should we plan where we're going to put all of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
I already did it.
I think one should definitely go right here where you were standing.
This one?
Yep. So pick up one and put it there. Let's make sure we have room for everything. Yep. There we go. Hold on, we'll plant them all at once we get them placed, right? Okay. And maybe right there. Okay, we'll have to make sure we keep this edge or we're gonna get grass all up in our irises. Where should that one go? In the back? I do want some in the back, but I kind of want that black one more on the more in the front. How about we put this one back in the back over there?
Okay. This one should go right here.
Okay. And that one there, okay. And then this one
should go right.
Okay, that works.
Now we can see all of them and where we're going to plant them.
These ones are orange. Okay, we can plant some over here, that's fine. And then I also have this yellow one.
I think I know where it should go.
Oh, where should it? Oh, this one's peach. Okay, let's start planting, shall we?
Let's do this part first.
Okay.
Let's dig right here.
Good idea. Okay, now for iris, it does not have to be very deep.
How deep does it have to be?
Let's look at this. Which part do you think is the root?
I know which one. This one.
Very good. Those are the roots. This is called a rhizome, which is like a root, but not quite. And then this is the leaf. So this part goes up. The hole needs to be just deep enough for the roots. But this part likes to be on top of the soil. It likes to breathe. Okay? Go ahead and dig a hole. Yep, put on the shovel. Very good. Right there. Very good. Put this in here like this. And we should also grab a little bit of bone meal. Okay, so put a little in the hole like that.
It's like baking a cake.
Watch this. We're going to mix it up. It's just like baking a cake. Yes, you may. Mix, mix, mix.
That's good.
Very good. Now we put all the roots underneath the soil, but the rhizome stays on top. Yes, please put the soil back. that. Just like that.
There we go. Now it can grow.
That's right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put
this right here.
I'm actually going to keep this in the house.
What? Why?
Well, so I remember
I want to put it right there so that we don't remember which one's which.
That's right. I want to remember which one's which. Okay, we have a package of blank plant tags. The name of that one was called Starring. Would you like to write the tag, or do you want me to write it?
I want to.
Okay.
Mother, can you please tell me the letters?
I sure will. Starts with an S, and T, A, R, and that spells star, and it's starring. So we're going to put another R, I, N, G.
Oh.
It's like a C with a table. Good! Starring! Beautiful. Now put that right here. Okay. All right, let's plant another one.
Okay.
A little bit of bone meal.
Mama, remember when a worm pooped on you?
A year and a half ago, I pick up a worm off of a bush. It poops on my hand. She still remembers this.
That's because it's stuck in my head.
It sure is. Grand Canyon sunset. Okay, oh, I want to say one quick thing. All right, when buying irises from the store, you want to look for the same thing that you look for when you're dividing irises, and that is roots, rhizome, and shoot. Okay, you have to have all three pieces. This one has some really great root buds right here. There's little nodes that are turning into roots. But it does have plenty of green. This one should be a pretty good specimen. This was the best one left in the store.
I'm so excited to make the ones that are different colors.
Isn't it going to be fun to have all these different colors? Now, they may not bloom next spring. We might have to wait 2 years for some of these. Because irises, when you mess with their roots like this, sometimes it takes them a little time to recover.
Now let go of my hand.